Hello, home buyers. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to build your credit. One of the key ways that you can build your credit is by establishing a positive credit trade line. And one way to do that is to have a secured credit card. Now, you may be wondering, what is a secured credit card? A secured credit card is a credit card that you secure with collateral, which means that you deposit money onto the card. So it's your own money. You're not being loaned money. It's your own money that you deposit onto the card. Usually with most companies, the minimum amount that you can deposit on the card is $200, but you can make that credit limit or that credit line whatever amount you want it to be. I think it ranges anywhere between like $200 up to $5,000 to $10,000. So I would recommend that you get a secure credit card as soon as possible. One thing that most people don't know about building credit, because a lot of individuals use credit repair companies. And with the credit repair companies, they are disputing or removing inaccurate information off of your credit report. That's all fine and dandy, but if everything gets removed, you don't have any credit history. And you need to have credit history in order to have a positive credit score. So that's why you want to make sure that you are having a secured line of credit or some type of credit established so that you can build positive credit history. Because credit is not just based off of the bad things or the negative things on your account. It's also based off of the positive things that are on your account. So you need to have positive credit history. That will help you build up your credit score. So that's information about building up your credit score. You want to make sure that you get a secured credit card, and you can do that by using my link and ordering a secure credit card to get started with building your credit today.